There is a quiet, aggressive shift happening right now under the desks and inside the home studios of the tech world, and it completely exposes the massive lie of the modern desktop computer. For decades, the big tech giants forced a very specific, expensive narrative down your throat. They convinced you that if you wanted true, uncompromised, professional-grade computing power, you had to buy a massive, heavy, power-hungry tower. You were told that real work required a giant box that screamed with fan noise, cluttered your workspace, and pulled massive wattage from your wall outlet. But while the world was distracted by oversized PC towers and heavily marketed, expensive pro laptops, Apple was quietly perfecting a form of technological compression that defies traditional physics. They realized that the future of computing wasn't about making things bigger, but about making them impossibly dense. When Apple shrunk the Mac Mini down to a tiny 5 by 5 inch footprint, critics thought it had reached its absolute physical limit. They argued that trying to cram any more performance into a chassis that literally fits in the palm of your hand would result in a thermal nightmare. But behind the heavily guarded walls of Apple Park, engineers were already preparing a machine designed to turn the budget desktop market into an absolute wasteland. Enter the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just an incremental speed bump or a safe, boring refresh to keep shareholders happy. The M5 generation is a calculated, devastating strike aimed directly at the throat of high-end Windows workstations and old-school desktop setups. It is an over-engineered, ultra-compact monster that introduces next-generation graphics architectures and dedicated hardware artificial intelligence accelerators, entirely redefining what a computer under $1,000 is capable of executing. To truly understand why the Mac Mini M5 is causing a massive panic among rival hardware manufacturers, you have to look past the minimalistic aluminum block and look directly at the economic disruption it represents. For years, entry-level computers were deliberately crippled. Brands would give you just enough power to browse the web or edit a basic document. But the moment you tried to render a complex 3D scene, compile a massive database, or edit multiple streams of high-resolution video, the hardware would choke. They forced you to pay a massive premium to unlock true pro-level performance. The Mac Mini M5 completely shatters this artificial hierarchy. By dropping the baseline M5 silicon directly into their most affordable desktop, Apple has given everyday creators, developers, and students a chip that architecture for architecture matches or outperforms bulkier, more expensive legacy systems. At the absolute center of this miniature beast is the M5 chip, a marvel of modern 3nm silicon engineering. While previous generations focused heavily on raw, linear CPU speeds, the M5 completely pivots the architecture to focus on two massive pillars: graphics processing and local, on-device machine learning. Apple didn't just add more cores. They completely redesigned the layout of the GPU, integrating a specialized hardware element known as a neural accelerator into every single graphics core. This isn't a marketing gimmick. This means that when the Mac Mini M5 is faced with heavy computational tasks, like running dense local language models, processing complex visual effects, or executing deep learning codebases, it doesn't just run them, it flies through them. We are talking about an AI processing speed that leaves previous generation chips completely in the dust, allowing you to run heavy,